Alrighty, hello, this is Kit, and this is devlog number 2. So just wanted to give an update on what I've been working on and show off some of the latest features. So now if you look here, we have some labeling of some points. So the start and the finish line is now labeled. There is some rudimentary pathing logic, so you can path from one point to another. I've also started working on adding rocks into the mix. So the next step of this game here would be to include the rock in the pathing logic so that it goes around the rock. So I think the way that I'm going to be doing this is that for each object, which can block the creeps, I'll take in consideration the corner points here. So in the corner points, there'll be like one point out here, one point at the top, and one point at the right here. And for each of these corners, you can think about it as like three different points where the creeps can go to. And this will just be like I'll just use a threshold, probably depending on the size of the grid here. I'll make it so that it moves to one of these corners here. So that's how it'll be able to tell which points it can move around. And as I add this logic, hopefully it should work out to be very similar to how StarCraft 2 does its pathing logic. So another thing that I added was that, so let's see here. So you can also add checkpoints to this currently. And let me just try to find the code here. So here's where I create the map. So I create a map with a game width and game height. Then here I'm placing some entities inside it. So let's remove the rock for now. And let's go ahead and add a few checkpoints. So place entity checkpoint. Now let's see, where do we want to put this? So we can put this at 1. So the coordinate system here starts at the bottom left. So this is 0, 0, and as you move right, it increases the x. As you move up, it increases the y. So this would be 1, 1x, and then 1, 2, 2y. Okay, let's just do that. So 1x, 2y, and not this. So 1, 1, 2y, and let's add another one. Oh yeah, right. You also need to specify a sequence number. So this will be 0. We have 0 starting as the starting number. And let's add another checkpoint here as well. So let's see. Let's do one at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 0. 8, 0, 8, 0, and then let's add one more. I mean, we could just continue adding stuff. I'm fine with that too. But let's see. So this is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8, 6. Let's add one more here. 8, 6. Let's see how this will look like. Okay, so it's going to start up. Then I've also printed out some useful information. So here's the frame rate. I think LibGDX is locking at 60 FPS. Alright, there we go. So here it is. So yeah, the way that checkpoints work is that in entropy TD, you can block parts of the checkpoint, and as long as one portion of the checkpoint is available, then the creep can still go to it. And for each portion here, so there's going to be a center in each of these quadrants here. So That's basically how the pathing logic works. So currently I think I calculate the pathing using breadth first search. I will optimize it if I need to, if the FPS gets too low. Currently it's pretty fast. You might see the FPS dropping just because I'm currently recording. But yeah, I'm really liking the pathing logic right now. It looks like it's working pretty well, which is good. For the starts and the endpoints, the creeps always have to go to the center. So for the start and finish, you can't actually block any of the quadrants like you can with the checkpoint. But who knows? I might make that a possibility in the future. We'll see. So yeah, that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching and have a good one.